Are you interested in doing yoga but are intimidated by the moves? What if I told you there's a way to do it safely from your chair? I'm so excited to announce that I am now offering chair yoga classes on the Justin Agustin Fitness app and justinagustin.com. My friend Abi Mills, who is a qualified, renowned yoga instructor, provided us with a 5-class chair yoga series to teach you the basics of yoga from your chair.
You can start from very, very baby steps, just like in any exercise, sitting up straight and being mindful of your posture, breathing deeply into your lungs, and maybe just introducing some gentle movement into the wrists and the neck. It can be that basic and it's very, very approachable. But what sets it aside from other exercises is that connection with the breath, and that's what makes it special.
Not only is she an experienced yoga instructor in the field, it holds quite a special place in her heart.
My mum was my inspiration behind why I even started yoga, and we continued on through her cancer journey. It kind of opened my eyes to actually what yoga can benefit, just sitting with someone and breathing. My dad then unfortunately became unwell with Alzheimer's, and he was a doctor, a great doctor as well, a doctor of over 40 years. He was the inspiration for the scientist in me, and I like the idea that movement is medicine and really backing that up with science.
Thank you, Abby, for blessing the JA community with your expertise and knowledge.